Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys some updates. So as you've seen from my other vlogs, we have moved, we've settled down finally. So that is the biggest relief ever, to like finally get settled and start to like live my life again. And so like I have a lot of big things coming, and so I'm actually completely redoing one of my ebooks that I include in my 6-week program. And this is such a big deal because like I've had over 50 clients so far, and it's only been about a year. And in that time, I've learned so much about eczema and about you guys that, for one, I realized that there's not even stages. Like, there are not 3 stages of eczema. The truth is that there's actually no stages, there's just progression. And so it's more so on a spectrum than it is broken up into 3 sections. And so I'm gonna make a big video talking about that really soon, or I might have already released it. But that's just one of the things that I've learned from you guys. And this new ebook is gonna have more recipes in it. It's gonna be so much better defined for you guys to heal your skin so much faster. So if you don't know about my 6-week program, go to my website and check that out. But other updates include I'm actually doing a fitness challenge with myself right now. So my best friend Emily is helping me, and my boyfriend's trying to keep me accountable. And what I want to do is I just want to hit these goals. I want to be really lean and really fit, lots of muscle, and I've never hit these goals before. My body's pretty much looked the same most of my life. I've like gone up and down in weight a little bit, but it's never really looked different. And so I want to get a lot of ab definition, a lot of like, you know, a lot of leg definition, and I want to just get leaner and a lower body fat percentage. So I'll take you guys on that journey with me too as time goes on. So just a little check-in. Today is June 29th, I believe. Okay guys, so today is July 16th. And so this whole vlog is basically what happened before July 16th. So all the things that we've gone through since July started, and so it's been July 4th. It was Garrett's birthday, which is July 9th, and we went for a hike, we went to Pier 1, we did a bunch of different things, and this vlog is very messy and jumbled up, but enjoy. And towards the end, I'm going to show you guys a little meal prep, just so this is related to eczema. This is mostly just like, you know, day in the life type vlog, but towards the end, I will show you like how I meal prep, why I meal prep, and what I meal prep. So, see you guys. We just hiked this like little mountain. This took like 2 hours to bake.
And it auto-fills in the most Instagram followers for 2019.
Okay, so we are in Pier 1 right now, and I have a vision for the apartment, and I'm gonna make it look super decorated and super good.
Yes.
Super minimal. And he, in his hand, he has another dipping dish, which is now
Number 3.
our 3rd dipping dish. But this one has angles.
Oh yeah, so you get the chips and all, you know, all the good stuff. All the angles.
All the angles. Oh, look at those doors. Look at them. Look at those doors. I love it. Good morning, friends. We are making breakfast today, and I really wanted to show you what I've been eating. So I typically eat avocado on rice cakes, but today I have something really fun that I've been putting on it. So here's my rice cakes. I usually do 2 avocado, and then I'll spread walnut butter on that one. And so actually today I have something really fun, and it's cream cheese. It's like dairy-free cream cheese. So I'm gonna show you. So I'll show you my walnut butter first. So here's my walnut butter. So it's basically just walnuts and cashews, and I'll show you the ingredients on the back. So yeah, literally just walnuts and cashews, and it tastes really good. And I spread that on one of my rice cakes so that I stay fuller longer. So I'm gonna leave this out. So then I'm using this cream cheese that is actually almond cream cheese. And it's definitely a treat. So I tell you guys that you should do things in moderation because the ingredients in this aren't perfect. So this is definitely something that I'm eating as like a really nice treat. There's some funny ingredients in it. Like it's mostly normal, but he's not a huge fan of lactic acid and that's in it. The lactic acid though in this is dairy free, so it's not like lactose whatsoever. It's just like lactic acid, and it has xanthan gum and gar gum, which we know are okay, but I feel like they should be organic. At least this is non-GMO, which is pretty cool, but not all the ingredients are organic, which I try to do as much as possible, but this is just a little treat that I'm gonna have every once in a while. In the oven, we have these little breakfast cookies that we have. Nom. Oh, he has his honey out.
Yeah.
For the cookies.
From the farmer's market.
Yeah, we went to the farmer's market again this weekend, and he got this honey, which is from like wildflowers.
Yeah, but it's not organic, so I'm not too sure about it yet.
It tastes really, really good though.
Yeah, it does.
Tastes super good. Honey is one of those things, if you have eczema, be very, very careful with honey. Honey is very, very high salicylate, so if you try to eat something with honey, you're gonna end up itching like crazy. So use like stevia, monk fruit, agave is a little bit better, maple syrup's pretty good. Just be super careful with honey. Anyway, we have cookies in the oven, and we were making pancakes yesterday, and I accidentally made a mix that acted more like a cookie, so I saved it for today. And so, dee 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 dee, beep beep beep, boo boo boo.
Final product, fellas. Check it out.
Man, beautiful. Beautiful honey, work it, work it. So yeah, so they're made out of tiger nut flour, which is this. And it has so many nutrients in it. So for example, it has 10% iron, it has 8% magnesium, it has calcium, vitamin E, it has 15% of your daily recommended value, it has B6, vitamin C. So yeah, just using this flour in cookies, you're literally making healthy cookies. Like there's absolutely nothing wrong with the cookies that we have over there. So basically the cookie mix that I like created was applesauce, tiger nut flour, a little bit of coconut flour, a little bit of cassava flour. I put in arrowroot starch, which was something new that we're experimenting with. Really good for cookies.
Yeah.
Yes. Dee dee. I'm gonna do a live taste test of my little cookie. Okay.
How is it, baby?
Weird.
Oh. Not good?
No.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh no.
They're okay-ish. They're just not a cookie. I have other cookie recipes. They're up on my website. Just like coachmichellemills.com, and then you go to recipes, and I have like actual cookie recipes. I just keep trying to experiment with things, and these are not it. So as I was talking to Garrett about it, and I was like eating it, yes, I just put it on my rice cake that has walnut butter on it, right there. I was thinking about why it tasted weird, and so it's so fluffy. I realized that the cookies need a fat. So like originally yesterday I was trying to make pancakes, which are supposed to be light and fluffy. So this batter is actually like decent for pancakes.
Bacon pancakes.
Bacon pancakes. You make some bacon, then you put it in a pancake.
Bacon pancake.
And so it's too fluffy. It's too like light and airy and like a little bit grainy. And so it needs a fat in it. So like maybe next time I make the batter, I can even use like this walnut butter to make it thicker and more dense like a cookie.
She likes them thick.
I like them thick. I like them thick. I like them chunky. And he's over here eating eggs. He tortures me every single day with this.
They're delicious. They're nutritious.
For everybody without eczema. Yeah, if you guys don't know, like fridge foods, FREDG, fried foods, refined sugar, eggs, dairy, gluten, all of those are the worst foods for eczema. And eggs are so bad because egg whites have an enzyme in it called lysozyme, which digs through the intestine lining and creates leaky gut. So I can't have his eggs, but at least he can enjoy his eggs. Okay, today is actually July 1st, so happy July, everybody.
9 days until my birthday, y'all.
Yeah, eight days to your birthday.
Yes.
His birthday's next Tuesday, and I got him stuff, and I've been teasing him.
She didn't have to do that.
I'm excited. He's gonna like it. So I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.
Back again with the white vans.
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Thank you, baby. Thank you for the presents.
You're welcome. So that was super weird.
That was cool. Good people.
He thought it was nice. I got a little creeped out, but we just went into Clean Juice, which is like, so we're like from the East Coast, and on the East Coast, like this is something that I eat all the time. It's just like smoothie bowls and stuff. And this is one of the only locations in California, and like we're traveling up to LA today, and it's like on the way. And so we stop in, and
and this guy named Jason, I believe his name is like, hey, can we get a picture? And we're gonna, do some promotional, Clean Juice for the West Coast out here. And I don't know, he just...
And then he started like taking pictures of us, which was cool, and he had like a legit camera up, and then he was just talking a lot. I don't trust it, I don't know. But we ended up getting like on the Instagram for this location of Clean Juice, and they like tagged us in it. He took some good pictures of us, and like since it's his birthday, I'm like happy that he gets some good pictures, and hopefully they turn out. But this looks good. This is called the watermelon bowl, I think.
Yeah.
And it's one of their summer bowls. So I'm gonna eat this, and we're gonna drive up to LA. It's July 9th, my baby's birthday.
Oh, thanks, baby.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name out. First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air the night.
As promised, I wanted to show you guys my meal prep. So this is definitely not just related to eczema or maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's also related to being sustainable. And so for me, it's very important that I try to be lower waste, and I don't always do a good job. I'm definitely guilty of that. But one thing I noticed that I do is I'll buy these bags of vegetables, but they don't have that much in it. So basically they're just a frozen bag of vegetables. They're like this big, they're not very big, and I run through them basically in 2 days. And so instead I grabbed all these vegetables, and I'm literally just gonna chop them all up and freeze them and use that throughout the week. So I have the mother of all vegetables, cabbage. I have beets, carrots, I have bok choy and spinach. And I do have a capsicum or red bell pepper, and that's just a treat. I don't have those types of things all the time. I try to stay away from nightshade vegetables, but sometimes peppers just taste good. So that's what I have for today. And if you have severe eczema, always go for cabbage. If your eczema is healing a little bit, go for some beets or some carrots, and bok choy should be fine. And then wait a little later before you try to introduce spinach.
I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down.
Looky here, we're looking at our tellies, our mobile tellies, and all of a sudden I asked a question. I wonder who has the most followers on Instagram.
And then
I type it in to the Google
Google-oo.
and it shows up. I type in who has, and it auto-fills in the most Instagram followers for 2019. How did it know?
But it's been doing this to us for the last we've noticed for the last week
Or two.
And it's like every time we talk about something and then we start to type it into Google, it just
Autofills.
fills it in, and it's not a coincidence. Like this this crap is creepy. So now we're gonna test it, but I wonder if like it's onto us now and it won't do it.
Yes.
But I wanted to try to get it on camera, so we're gonna try talking about stuff and then check in Google like a couple minutes later and see if it fills in what we're talking about.
Yeah.
The most expensive shoe ever made. Is it a Jordan? Is it
Probably Yeezy.
a Yeezy?
No one.
So then, in a few minutes, we're gonna type into Google, what's the most expensive shoe ever made?
I'm gonna type in what's the, and it's gonna fill it in.
Yeah, so if we type in what's the,
And then maybe M, then it'll be most expensive shoe ever made.
yeah, so yeah, we gonna test this ish.
Yeah.
See what's happening.
We got wall mattresses.
Are you jealous?
We got 3 mattresses. Show my man cave,
Oh
babe.
my God.
The man cave.
The man cave. It looks so empty over there.
It's more exciting than what it looks like, y'all, followers.
So, this is our real bed
I don't sleep in it.
that he doesn't sleep in. He sleeps on an air mattress over in his corner over there.
I get the best sleep, y'all.
It's a sad life. I want him to come back to bed.
I cuddle before we go to bed. I'm not a
Some
bad
nights.
boyfriend. Yeah. I mean, really, like, one night of the week I'll come over there and cuddle with her. So she feels special. I'm gonna spoil my baby.
One night of the week.
I spoil my baby.
No, for real, before bed we always hang out.
Yeah, we like dab each other and then like, peace, bro. She's like, later, bro. And I'm like, alright, bro. And then I hop in the bed and I fall asleep.
People would believe that I do that. Be like, yeah, that's typical.
Yeah?
That's so Michelle.
Oh my goodness.
But no, we like play cards. What are we doing?
I have no idea. The game's called 2000.
We watch
By
stuff.
the pool, and we cuddle and we snuggle.
We snuggle. Okay, I think it's time to test
The theory?
the theory. So
This is not a game. I haven't even opened it yet. We haven't stopped filming.
yeah, we haven't even stopped filming. Let me get it focused.
Oh, it's on us.
It's on to us! Okay, let me try mine. What's the... See, no, it's playing games now. I'm over this.
Who is... Oh, let's do one more. I have to
Okay.
type in one more. Look at the phone. Look at the phone. Look at the phone.
Okay.
So is...
It doesn't care. Google said bye.
You're not going to catch us on any Instagram channels, baby.
I will expose you one day, Google. You hear me?
We will get you.
We'll get you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Signing off. Good night.
Goodbye.
Good night, New York. We're on SNL.
Oh,
I don't know.
I forgot how to go out.
Good night, New York.
Good night, New York. SNL. Live from Saturday night. It's SNL.
Live from Saturday night.
Live from CBS Studios.
There we go.
It's...
Saturday Night Live.
Is there anything special you'd like to do for your last show?
Really?
Anything, Dennis, you name it.
Well, you know, I've always wanted to say live from New York. It's Saturday night.
Live from New York, it's Saturday night. Live from New York.